No,
learn.
let Devin drive.
Okay, a little bit. You have to come up to the line.
All right,
okay?
Devin. Stop.
Okay, now you're at the line.
Yeah, you're fine. You're fine.
Stop.
Look both ways. 5 times.
Get your fucking phone off me.
We might die.
I will take that shit and throw it out.
I'm sending this to
Everybody
Christian.
shut up and quit making the kid nervous.
Fuck! Go! We've been here for 10 minutes! God!
Shut up. Okay.
Oh my god. Okay, I just fed this mouse one of my egg yolks and she's actually eating it. What? What? She got babies over here somewhere. Oh my god, a mouse eats egg yolk.
Isn't that cute?
Wait, I'm gonna show them the coffee cups. It won't fall through? Oh my god. We just got Starbucks. And they were like, do you need clips for your basket? And we were like, what? Me and Barbie got this LUMIFY stuff. We're gonna show our eyes before and after. And we'll see if there's a difference. Okay, mine before. Barbie's before. I'm currently having a freak out because I can't put this stuff in my eye. I'm scared.
This woman with her dog. Would you hurry up?
I'm scared she's gonna watch us. Oh no. Okay, park at the movie theater and then we'll try it.
I'm gonna come over here and park. Good lord. Blood pressure. Stupid.
Alright, I finally did it. Can you tell a difference? Whip that bitch in there!
Where's the middle thing at?
Barbie's currently pooping and...
Brittany! She's gonna give me a heart attack.
I brought her crab!
You're bad. My pan's down.
She's bad. Ah! Okay, I almost spilled the crab. So it is about 8:30 in the morning. We have to leave for work in about 20 minutes. And I was fixing some food and I couldn't get the crab open. So I brought it to Mom and she was on the toilet and I was like, damn, you're on the toilet, never mind. She said, here, bring it to me, I'll do it. And she took my crab in the toilet room and opened it. So how nasty is that? So this is what we're working with. We're working with some fake crab, 2 eggs, and 3 pieces of turkey, and some pickles on the side. This is what I'll be eating for lunch at about probably 12 or 1. Probably 12. It is 8:40. Come.
Is that rug gone?
My oxygen is 97. My heart rate is 69 and rising. Now it's 71 because I'm breathing in. That's weird how it comes up like that. We're in the doctor. Wish me luck. Hey. She has high blood pressure for a whole week.
1:18:19 and 11:7:18 was.
Yeah.
We just got out of the doctor, and it's bad to say this, but he was dumb. He was pissing us off. We were like, duh.
Yeah, I seen the date on the paper. I said, oh, it was November. So.
You're a smart cookie.
Damn dumb. Even when I'm tired.
We are about to get an excellent workout with about 5 hours of sleep. Got up this morning at about 6:30, went to bed around, what time was it? It was like, I think it was 1:30, something like that. Got up, had 2 jobs, went to the doctor with Mom. Now we're gonna go out. It is 6 o'clock. Let's go. So yeah, what I thought was gonna be a great workout, I was gonna try to kill it. I start running on the treadmill for about 10 minutes to warm up, 10 to 15 minutes actually. Every workout I always start on the treadmill, and if I'm gonna do cardio, I always finish it first before any weights. I know people say don't do that, but honestly that's what I like, because after weights I'm so tired that I don't want to do any cardio. So I go and do my deadlifts. I only was doing 95 pounds because my back has been really bad. So I did quite a few of these because 95 pounds isn't that heavy to me. So get off that shit. It's not good for your brain. It's not good for your brain. Alright, then I move into squats and I do 45 pounds for a warm-up. Listen to my knee blowout on the third squat and ignore Lou's voice.
Well, Scott just ruins everything. Dog hair. Tomorrow there will be nothing.
And it was that moment that I knew I fucked up. Did you hear my knee crack? Yeah.
Sometimes I need that romance, sometimes I need that punk man, sometimes I need that stripper that's gonna tell me that she don't
Boom.
At my